What's up, guys? What to do when you get a strong urge? Do this. Anytime you guys get a strong urge, a strong sexual urge, lustful thoughts, anything of that nature, do this. Don't want to clap your hands together? Then go slow. Right now, I have an urge, so I'm showing you guys in real time. Instead of hitting up an ex, instead of hitting up girls that you met in person, instead of hitting up girls you met online, or you haven't met in person but you talk to online, trying to meet up in person, instead of going on dating apps, instead of going on nasty websites, instead of looking at booty shaking videos, any type of nasty videos, showing you guys what to do. Okay, I don't want to just talk about it for real or only talk about it. I like to show you guys in real time. Like I said, I have a powerful urge, so I know what you guys go through. This is what you do though. Another thing you can do when you have a powerful urge, okay? Another thing you can do is do some squats. All the energy is stuck down here. I apologize. I need to clear some storage, so I had to delete some stuff. Like I was saying, all the energy is down in this area. So when you get a powerful urge, understand that you need your healthy essence, your semen. You want it to work, and you want your semen to do what it do in your body. You want it to move it around so it can heal your body, restructure your body, heal your cells, and overall make you healthy, spiritually, physically, make you more healthy, mentally as well. So push-ups is good, but what's really good is your legs. So do some squats, just like this, guys. Like I said, going through the same shit y'all going through, this is what you do. Okay? Keep doing that. Another thing you can do is wall sits. See if I can set you guys up somewhere. Set you guys up here. So, if you don't know what wall sits is, literally you would just act like you're sitting on the chair, but put your back, or I don't really put my back on the wall, but close to the wall. You could put like your hips sitting on the wall and act like you're sitting on a chair. Get real low like this. Make sure your legs is holding you up, and you just sit. Squeeze too. Squeeze and see how long you can sit in that position, and make sure all that energy down there is being moved around your body. This helps. So, show y'all one more thing that y'all could do, that I'm doing as well. Like I said before, we're doing this thing I'm doing this semen retention journey right with you guys. I know the urges be powerful, but I'm gonna get back on the wall in a second. Felt that shit in my legs. But you have to embrace your masculinity. It is not an urge to talk to females and try to talk to Your link, your sneaky links, no. Dating apps, no. Your ex, no. Girls you met online, you talk to online, no. Going to nasty websites, no. Looking at nasty videos, no. None of that. You know? OnlyFans, no. Nothing. Nothing lustful. You're masculine and you're feminine. You want to be balanced. If you lean towards any of them, lean more towards this. Embrace this. Embrace your creative side as well. But right now, love, cosmically love both, but embrace and love your masculinity, okay? You are a god. You are a king. It's okay to get powerful urges. That does not equal, powerful urges do not mean/equal lust, sex for the wrong reasons, using females for their body, etc., etc., or hurting yourself. It's not meant for that as well. So let's get back to this wall sit. The urge will pass. What I mean by the urge passing, it will move all throughout your body, up to your brain, close to your crown chakra, back down to the root. It'll heal you, okay? It will keep on healing you, day in, day out. So you need this essence. You need it. Okay, I'm not just saying that word need for no reason. Your words are powerful. Be mindful of your words. I'm getting better with that every day. You need your essence. You need your life force. All right? Feel good about that shit. This what makes you you. You know? So yeah, guys. Push-ups, squats, wall sits. Show y'all one more thing. I feel that shit in my legs. That's a good thing. You want to feel it in your legs. Don't really have another spot to show you guys this, so I'll just explain it. Actually, I don't really even need to be over there. You can do this anywhere, but we'll take out the butt. But you can do this anywhere. The last thing that I will let you guys know is meditation. You can meditate anywhere. You can meditate however you want to meditate too. I can literally meditate like this, eyes open and everything. Just focus on what's going on in here. Focus on what I want to manifest, or focus on what I want to do, however I want to create my reality. With semen retention, I can even focus on the energy that's stuck down there around your pelvic area, you know, stuck down there in your sacral chakra. I can envision it moving up my spine and going to my crown, my third eye, in my brain. You know, however you want to visualize it. Visualize it moving all through your body, through your arms, your veins, your legs, you know, powering you up, healing you, you know, certain colors. You can think about purple, you know what I'm saying? Purple, it's a high vibrational color. Blue, you know, anything that green, you know what I'm saying? Like high vibrational colors and shit like that. You can also meditate with your eyes closed if you want to, if that makes it better. You can meditate like this, standing up. You can meditate, use the wall sit for example. If you don't want to sit on the floor, sit on the wall, meditate like that. Hold on, guys. Sorry about that. Had to handle some shit real quick on the phone. But yeah, like I was saying, meditate however you want to meditate. As long as you meditate. As long as you're moving that shit around. As long as you're doing what you gotta do. But that's the video for how to utilize your life force in the positive, righteous way when you're under, like I said, spiritual attacks, you know what I'm saying? Psychological attacks, sexual urges, yeah, situations that just force you to evolve. So that's the video. I know I take my time with talking. I'll be mindful of my words, G. I want to get across the right message and take my time, you know. But hopefully y'all enjoyed the video, and if you feel like you're gonna relapse, watch this video as many times during the times you're under the fire, so to say. During the times you feel like you want to relapse, watch this video as many times as you need to. I'm serious. Your life force, your essence is way more important than that female, bro. Focus on your purpose. Salute. I appreciate y'all watching the video. We out.